Well, Minnesota reminded us again that winter's not over. This happens every year. We get this false sense of spring. We had an entire week where it was like 55 degrees outside. All the snow melted, but we have the snow back now. I'm gonna take this opportunity to rebuild our tubing hill, which was super fun for all the girls in the neighborhood. My neighborhood has about 12 girls in it, so everyone was enjoying that when we had some nice snow this year. But now I'm gonna get to work rebuilding this hill. Come on. Oh, someone's excited about the snow. This is where we had our starting ramp before, and the kids would go all the way down and across. So let's get to work on this and see how much we can get done. We go to great lengths to entertain our kids. I grew up doing this in our backyard for me and my brother for snowboarding, and some of the fondest memories I have. So this snow is really heavy. There's no way on earth my two girls would be able to move it. I mean, this is like shoveling concrete right now. I'm getting a major workout doing this, but I still enjoy it. I need to get the track made now. So I'm gonna get a tube out and start kind of making the track so then I can make the sides and just keep it going. Ugh. Wow. I'm getting tired. This snow is so heavy. I think it might be break time. Well, I'm on the day 2 here. The snow was just so heavy yesterday. It kind of did a number on my back, so I decided to just take more of a permanent break yesterday. And it actually got colder, so the snow's a lot easier to work with right now, which is gonna help this move along a little better. I got a good base yesterday, but now I can kind of fine-tune the track and finish it up. I really want to have this at least ready for the kids to use at the end of the day when they get home from school. So got a lot of work to do.